So mostly the second part. Things were not as bad as expected. And here again, that's why they've been trading so much lower than some of the other luxury players, because of course there is a slowdown in luxury, but there was also a turnaround happening at Gucci, and a turnaround that hasn't been bearing fruit just yet. But look, the different brands, whether it's Saint Laurent better in Q4 than Q3, Bottega Veneta, other houses like Balenciaga, everything is going in the right direction. But when we look, of course, at their star brand, which is Gucci, makes half of their revenue and 2/3 of their operating profit, we're not there just yet. They were still down 24% in Q4 after being down 25% in Q3. But we kind of knew there were bad news coming into Gucci, because last week they announced that the creative director, Sabato De Sarno, was ousted after just a year and a half in the job. So clearly giving an indication that the turnaround, a change of aesthetic, more quiet luxury after the flamboyant side that we had under the previous creative director, Alessandro Michele, was not happening. They also, hiked prices quite aggressively, and it looked like customers just didn't take on the new Gucci. So now we know they're looking for a new creative director. We'll have to wait and see who that might be, but there is a new CEO in place since January. So kind of things are in place for a potential turnaround at Gucci, but we'll have to wait and see. But certainly for the other parts of the business, it looks like things are going in the right direction. And when they'd given one of their multiple profit warning last year, they gave a guidance on their recurring income, and that came a little bit better than expected in the second half. It's not as bad as expected, maybe. So, maybe given the green shoots that we've seen with other luxury players, particularly in North America, investors think that maybe there is potential for a turnaround. Yeah. The jury is still out for Kering. Again, you were saying shares were down 40% last year, much lower than other luxury players. So it's all about the new creative director. The magic has happened before with Gucci, whether it was Tom Ford or Alessandro Michele. They came in and changed and make these brands very desirable. But I have to wait and see who can create the magic again.